behind Apple Fang Od's tattoo shop is another extension. There's the hut where her grandchildren do the more complicated designs, and so other clients here would have their tattoos done while she does the signature after. The studio of artists Grace and Eliang, Apple Fang Od's granddaughters,
This is bamboo here.
that represents the three dots in her signature, supposed to represent the three certified tattoo artists, Apple Fang Od herself, Grace, and Eliang.
She wants to have full sleeve.
Yes, 9 times na siya bumalik. Every time she comes, maybe she finishes small.
Full sleeve.
Full sleeves.
You want to have full sleeve.
It looks like it was done by a machine. It's very fine. That's how the sketch is done. Anong design siya?
Traveler.
Nung nagano po mga 7.
Oo, alam ko 7 minimum. 7. Nagmotor hanggang
My bag is there and we're going to
And I
Benguet.
have the oil.
Member ng Dato?
Oo, member siya ng
Dato.
Kaputi siya ng
For the sketch of the round design, she uses the red bottle cap for the perfect circle. And then they use kind of a weed plant for the straight lines.
Hindi.
This is the pomelo plant from which the artists here in Buscalan gets the thorn and then uses this as the needle to make the tattoo designs by batok. Batok is the procedure, and the person doing that is the mambabatok. In my opinion, I think it's more hygienic if you come up here and have your tattoo done by the young artists or the young masters, Grace and Eliang, for that authentic Fang Od tattoo, because the young artists use new needles each time, and they give this to you, the used one, the thorn that they used on you, they give it to you as a souvenir. Unlike in Wang Od's procedure, she uses the same needle for everyone per day. So that's why I backed out. It's not for me. Safe trip!
Take care.
Bye-bye! This is Joan of Art from Buscalan saying see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.